tracksuits and red wine, movies for two. We'll take off our phones and we'll turn off our shoes. We'll play Nintendo, though I always lose. 'Cause you watch the TV while I'm watching you. There's not many people I'd honestly say I don't mind losing to. But there's nothing like doing nothing with you. Dumb conversation, we lose track of time. Have I told you lately I'm grateful you're mine? We'll watch The Notebook for the 17th time. I'll say it's stupid, then you'll catch me crying. We're not making out on a boat in the rain or in a house I painted blue. But there's nothing like doing nothing with you. So shut all the windows and lock all the doors. We're not looking for no one, don't need nothing more. You'll bite my lip and I'll want you more, until we end up in a heap on the floor. You could be dancing on tabletops, wearing high heels, drinking until the world spins like a wheel. But tonight your apartment has so much appeal. Who needs stars? We've got a roof. And there's nothing like doing nothing with you. No, there's nothing like doing nothing with you.
We're not friends, we're not friends. Do you think I really wanna hear about him? I do it for a reason, not just to be nice. Girl, I wanna give you more than good advice. You're bad at seeing signals, girl. I never introduce you to a single girl. And everything I do around you is on purpose. Putting in the work for you, hoping that it's working. I spent about a year just playing my part. I'm picking up the pieces till you're broken heart. It's hard to look you in the eye when I know that we're living a lie. We're not friends, we're not friends. Do you think I really wanna hear about him? I do it for a reason, not just to be nice. Girl, I wanna give you more than good advice. We're not friends, we're not friends. You already know I got enough for them. I do it for a reason, not just to be nice. Girl, I wanna give you more than good advice. Call me up and complain. I don't mind, I don't mind. I ditch my boys to come hang. Anytime, anytime. I've been patiently waiting, but I couldn't wait. I had to tell you tonight. And can't you see all the things we could be? We could be anything that you like. But we're not friends, we're not friends. Do you think I really wanna hear about him? I do it for a reason, not just to be nice. Girl, I wanna give you more than good advice. We're not friends, we're not friends. You already know I got enough for them. I do it for a reason, not just to be nice. Girl, I wanna give you more than good advice. Girl, I know that you feel the way that I do. So the next time that you want me to slide through, let me remind you that we're not friends, we're not friends. Do you think I really wanna hear about him? I do it for a reason, not just to be nice. Girl, I wanna give you more than good advice. We're not friends, we're not friends. You already know I got enough for them. I do it for a reason, not just to be nice. Girl, I wanna give you more than good advice. We're not friends, we're not friends. Do you think I really wanna hear about him? I do it for a reason, not just to be nice. Girl, I wanna give you more than good advice. We're not friends.
My cheek brushes against his, smooth on stubble for a moment, and then it's gone. He walks along the platform as if in a dream. Every fibre in me wants to shout and scream, stop! To run across to him and take him in my arms, to tell him I love you. You silly, silly man, I love you. But instead I stand still, heart cracking. Those little curls on the back of his head bouncing as he steps out of my life. Whatever.
I hope that the fire we both made still burns a little in you. I wrote to you every day. Did my letters find their way? Our memories on my screen, two lovers in this mystic dream. Baby, come back to me. Come back to me. Too much time on my phone. Baby, do you still sleep alone? Come back to me. Come back to me. Remember me. Fresh out of black and white. Movie. On every screen. Would you realize what you meant to me? Or was it mystery? Remember me. Fresh out of black and white. Movie. On every screen. Would you realize what you meant to me? Or was it mystery? I heard that you moved somewhere far away. Is your number the same as before? I can't ignore the time may have changed your ways. Does my record still hang on your wall? Such a sentimental way to groove. I hope it still touches you. Baby, come back to me. Come back to me. It kills me to see you leave, so I came home and made this beat. Baby, come back to me. Come back to me. Remember me. Fresh out of black and white. Movie. On every screen. Would you realize what you meant to me? Or was it mystery? Remember me. Fresh out of black and white. Movie. On every screen. Would you realize what you meant to me? Or was it mystery?
She's got a whole lot of disco friends. She's got a whole lot of disco friends, disco ladies and gentlemen, eating their faces from the inside out, freaky dancing till the late AM, music stripping down the wall like sweat. She's catching fishies in a disco net, blowing kisses in a powder room, slowly sucking on a cigarette. She knows an awful lot of disco kids, novelty sunglasses and mullet wigs. She says she wants to be a stylist, or maybe something in the music biz. Daddy's rich, mommy's beautiful. They always said she'd make a top model, but now she's hiding out in disco land. A happy clappy, trust the fairy and oh yeah. Disco friends. Disco friends.
I can touch the ceiling with my feet. I can hidden from the street with you, and I know this is not our place, but we can always live as if it is. We can. Paris is a dream come true, and we don't even need to explore. I got out, I got free. You don't got no hold on me. I don't feel no side effects when you go. I want love, I got some, but thank God it isn't what it was. I don't feel no side effects when you go. When you go, when you go, when you go. just dreaming beautiful, so fucking beautiful. I just fell in love.
Voices at night cover my eyes. I'm terrified. No in between, a face on the screen, and an adequate replacement for you being with me. Yeah, yeah. Too much charm in the limelight. Give me your all on a landline. Want it so bad, but I won't lie. And it just gets worse in that time. Never stays for long. And she's gone in the morning. When you come home, I just got over being I see you. When you leave me, I'm in pieces. Maybe it's better if we cut loose. Tell me how your day was. No, I'm not okay. I don't know what I know, what I know. I don't know what I know, what I know. Time never moves so slow. Bedtime, hit your phone now. Tell me where to go, where to go. Tell me where to go, where to go. Too much charm in the limelight. Give me your all on a landline. Want it so bad, but I won't lie. And it just gets worse in that time. Never stays for long. And she's gone in the morning. When you come
Nothing seems to cover up the pain. Baby, I've been trying, but you can't hear what I say. Baby, baby, I've been trying. Nothing seems to cover up the pain. I've been trying, holding on, holding on. Baby, I've been trying. Nothing seems to cover up the pain. I've been trying, holding on, holding on. Yeah, I just been so numb, it feels like nothing's real. I just been so empty, I can't fucking feel. But I can feel my body start to fade, my heart is cold. That's why I'm so sick of taking all these fucking pills. But I don't ever talk about it much. Drinking every day just to escape the memories of us. And you paint me as a villain, but my blood is on your brush. I was in it to the end, you was in it for the rush. See, I'm scared of being hurt, and I'm scared of getting close. Cause the closest people to you were the ones that hurt you most. But it's hard to know your worth when everything is broke. Now I'm just drowning in my sorrow, trying not to fucking choke. The more pain you go through, the harder to feel. And the scars that we can't see are the hardest to heal. I gave you everything, I'm just left with all of these pills. And even though I fucking hate you, you have part of me still. Cry for you, promise that I'd never fucking cry for you, die for you. I can't be without you, I would die for you, bleed for you. I'd do anything, I fucking bleed for you. Why can't you understand, I fucking needed you. Trying, nothing seems to cover up the pain. I've been trying, holding on, holding on. Baby, I've been trying. Nothing seems to cover up the pain. I've been trying, holding on, holding on.
I don't want you to leave. I think you're divine. I let the old me just to be with you. I try to be free with you. I fall back down to earth. So what you want? You're killing me softly. Know that you love me. Maybe I'm honestly falling too soon. Happy we're grown now. Don't gotta love you on the low now. Can you hit me when you're home? And I'll come running back to you. I need you to be myself again. I need to believe I'm worth the work. I need you to see parts of me I hide, parts of me I hide away for someone else to find. With all the stars in the sky that burn, you are the one to bring me back to earth. See, you remind me where I came from. So when you're done with work, just hear me pour outside. Meditate on you just for the height. Think we met before another life. Wander around too, I can meet you outside. You're killing me softly. Know that you love me. Maybe I'm honestly falling too soon. I'm else to find. I need you to be myself again. I need to believe I'm worth the work. I need you to see parts of me I hide, parts of me I hide away for someone else to find. Set the tone when it's just me and you alone. Never lonely in the room, breathing slowly. Oh, you know me, yeah. Meditate, you can take me to a place where we can't be all alone. I let you hold me, 'cause you know me, yeah. Lay your head on my pillow, say, ooh. Touch is making me feel away, ooh. When I get around you, I lose it. 'Cause I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. You make me wanna go deep, intimate. Let you in me inside. You're deserving of my mind, my mind, yeah. Lay your head on my pillow, say, ooh, touching. Way I'm touching, no, it's okay with you. When I get around you, I lose it. 'Cause I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. You make me, baby. Lay your head on my pillow, say, ooh. When you're touching my body, say, ooh. I ain't loving nobody but you. You. 'Cause I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you.
is fun under the sun. I just tell myself to fly in the sun. The sun. You breathe. You breathe. On the shelf is my wealth. I'm the best at being myself. I can tell you American dreams, nice things from the shop, but I really think that it should about to pop. 360, 5 days on the wall. Live each day like my last. Green like paper over plastic. Wrap my head around the whole world is a blast. If you open up to magic, I just wanna tell you fly. You do not need me to
I'm in prison and I think I built my own cell. Prophets speak softly, homie, they don't yell. Only those that hear my music know my lower depths. The doer does, the knower rests. The scholar learns, the sage forgets. If I could wrap my head around it, then I might get a shot. I get what I think about, whether I like it or not. When things go wrong, life doesn't stop. I need to quit polluting my mind with sex and violence. The secret that I'm seeking was left in silence, and my microphone is pointing God's finger. I'm a saint disguised as a pop singer. Here's a fun fact. Most people leave their potential untapped. There will be more than camping gear to unpack. Sometimes you gotta go there just so you could come back.
Slow it down, I still got the feeling, baby. Slow it down, no more running around. I said slow it down, I still got the feeling, baby. Slow it down, no more running around.
My foot hurts, I didn't get sleep. My dad died, my horoscope ain't in sync. I'm misunderstood and Twitter is ruthless. Uh-oh, I think my problems are excuses for not being who I know I am. I'm 31, there's no one left to hold my hand. Though I believe I got someone watching over me. I believe I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. I believe that even when the road is bleak, that these obstacles were set up just for me. And family matters. I'm on some Merkle shit, posing on a primo beat. This some full circle shit. I believe no matter how high the hurdles get, I can flip this whole thing into an internal win. Life ain't meant to be a heavy thing. Met Ram Dass, he told me just love everything. Fall in Michigan, there's wisdom in my loose leaf. For the first time, I feel like the true me.
Slow it down, I still got the feeling, baby. Slow it down, no more running around. I said slow it down, I still got the feeling, baby. Slow it down, no more running around.
Some days I can't get out of bed, crippled by negative thoughts inside my head. Like, why do I always stop before my limits? And why am I only good at loving people from a distance? Why am I so vain, obsessed with fitness? Why are the only people I'm around my assistants? But wait, the last time I felt this way, I bucked up, kept going and got my shit straight. Diddy told me go with my heart, so my focus is art, not where I go on the chart. The divine light in me loves to glow in the dark. If my life was a movie, we'd be approaching the part where the hero wins and learns don't chase what you already got and returns home. Those who say don't know, those who know don't say. I'm done walking with the herd, it's time I go my own way.
Slow it down, I still got the feeling, baby. Slow it down, no more running around. I say slow it down, I still got the feeling, baby. Slow it down, no more running around. Yeah, yeah.
And you said that she seemed like my friend. All the shit that she put in your head, when we all knew that she was a bitch. She control you, you gave her the switch. You'll be dialed if needed again. Further notice, pray for your soul now in case she misses with your head and makes you bow. Seek for your pure freedom. Bad news ain't no good if in it feels good. She's waiting, waiting on you now, so I keep dancing, fooling you somehow. Why don't you keep me tied up to your bed? Lose all the guilt and regret. I'll make you wanna forget my love. She's waiting, waiting on you now, so I keep dancing, fooling you somehow. Why don't you keep me tied up to your bed? Lose all the guilt and regret. I'll make you wanna forget my love, my love. My love, my love, my love, my love. She's a devil with lines of defense, so she looks like the victim again. That's the way that her brain operates, and she'll play you like she's hard to get, and you fall cause you can't understand. Further notice, I saw you before, there's no race for me, but I like you and she doesn't. Truth is, she will stab you, then ask you why you're bleeding. What's yours will find you. She's waiting, waiting on you now, so I keep dancing, fooling you somehow. Why don't you keep me tied up to your bed? Lose all the guilt and regret. I'll make you wanna forget my love. She's waiting, waiting on you now, so I keep dancing, fooling you somehow. Why don't you keep me tied up to your bed? Lose all the guilt and regret. I'll make you wanna forget my love, my love. Ooh, my love. He was so lost without you. Now he hates what he was used to. And you screaming in your car, must a bitch if you were one. Yeah. She's waiting, waiting on you now, so I keep dancing, fooling you somehow. Why don't you keep me tied up to your bed? Lose all the guilt and regret. I'll make you wanna forget my love. She's waiting, waiting on you now, so I keep dancing, fooling you somehow. Why don't you keep me tied up to your bed? Lose all the guilt and regret. I'll make you wanna forget my love, my love.
Trying to get it, hoping you was down. Back when Justin had what goes around comes around. Always got a mushy mouth, and you really hate to see it. I would hop the gate whenever you around, and you would do the same. Falling down on the ground, escalator to the overground, and all metro cars was green. Sunstreak hit your face, 7 train, stop at 46. Then you share the rays, met my gaze, that was total bliss. And now it's not the same on those days we're together alone, together alone. Back in town but with a cap and gown, and you were acting strange. Head was down on the route, seemed like nothing was around that you didn't hate to see. Would I risk it all to turn back time, dance with your unweathered soul? You shined out red and gold when the sunstreak hit your face. 7 train, stop at 46. Then you share the rays, met my gaze, that was total bliss. And now it's not the same on those days we're together alone, together alone. Hey, no, it don't look that way, I know, but the darkest clouds just do as they're told. They don't tell these things to you, but the darkest clouds just move on. Ooh, yeah, they move on. Ooh, they move on. Yeah, they move on.
I've fallen in love. We're feeling helpless. I know it's not healthy, and I know that it's hard. The cycle I'm in is taking all my energy. I've been hurting, taking in this pain and hoping that it kills me. I can see on my face in the mirror I'm not happy, and I'm gonna need some help. And I haven't been myself. I've been drinking too much, smoking all night, messing with the wrong girls, nothing feels right. Every time I go out, someone wants to pick a fight. Spend all of my money, I guess my mama was right. Yeah. I'm gonna need some help. I've had decent luck at hiding all this darkness inside me, and I wish on every star that one day I can stop. I think I've had enough. I've been hurting, taking in this pain and hoping that it kills me. I can see on my face in the mirror I'm not happy, and I'm gonna need some help. And I haven't been myself. I've been drinking too much, smoking all night, messing with the wrong girls, nothing feels right. Every time I go out, someone wants to pick a fight. Spend all of my money, I guess my mama was right. Yeah. I'm gonna need some help. And I haven't been myself.
It is if everyone dies alone.
Does that scare you?
I don't want to be alone.
I look for you every day, every night. I close my eyes from the fear, from the light. As I wander down the avenue, so confused, guess I'll try and force a smile. Pink lemonade sipping on a Sunday, couples holding hands on the runway. They're all posing in a picture frame whilst my walls crashing down. Solo shadow on the sidewalk, just want somebody to die for. Sunshine living on a perfect day while my world's crashing down. I just want somebody to die for. I long for you, just a touch.
Does that scare you?
Of your hand. You don't leave my mind. Lonely days I'm feeling like a fool for dreaming. As I wander down the avenue, so confused, guess I'll try and force a smile. Pink lemonade sipping on a Sunday, couples holding hands on the runway. They're all posing in a picture frame whilst my world's crashing down. Solo shadow on the sidewalk, just want somebody to die for. Sunshine living on a perfect day while my world's crashing down. I just want somebody to die for. I just want somebody to die for. I just want somebody to die for.
Does that scare you?
I don't want to be alone.
just want somebody to die for.